Terra's BioSafe Cleanroom windows are specifically designed for ISO-classified cleanrooms and cGMP manufacturing environments. They feature easy-to-clean hygienic designs that enhance visibility without jeopardizing compliance. The innovative flush mount design allows windows to be installed in as little as 10 minutes. Choose from 4 cleanroom window design options. BioSafe Frameless cleanroom windows feature a fully flush mount design suitable for ISO 4 environments. The black border on these flush mount windows is behind the glass pane, so it won't scratch or degrade over time. BioSafe Stainless Steel Cleanroom windows are available in medical-grade, USP-compliant 316L stainless steel, with continuous seam welds for easy cleaning. The low-profile design fits tight against the wall on both sides, making them ideal for placement between 2 cleanrooms. BioSafe Fire-Rated cleanroom windows protect personnel, equipment, and the facility by maintaining the integrity of the fire-rated wall. The continuous seam welded hygienic design is tested and certified to UL9 for 45-minute fire exposure. Terra's ValuLine cleanroom window offers a budget-friendly, hygienic alternative with beveled stainless steel frame and single-pane center-mounted tempered glass. A 45-degree interior slope facilitates cleanroom washdowns, while welded corners and flush joints prevent residue buildup. Terra's cleanroom windows are available in standard ready-to-ship options and can also be custom-built to order. View our full selection at terrauniversal.com or speak with a cleanroom specialist at 714-578-6100.